Here we are again in the toilet. I'll just show you what's been going on. I haven't been very well for a week, so Sally borrowed my wallet, I think. I'll show you what's been going on. Anyway, I've still got a cold. I don't know whether you can see any of it. No window in there. Walls up. Nice view, eh? This will go from that corner to that corner, sloping roof, the same as the roof below. And then a mezzanine will go out there for Sally's clothes, etc. So, and this mess, I must try and tidy up at some time. See you in a minute. Heaven of Devon. Beautiful day. Oh, and here we have the toilet room. The toilet hasn't been fitted yet, but I'll just show the floor. My brother came around and tidied up the floor for me, bless him. Yeah, he's just gone. Gone to do some plastering. He's a good plasterer. There you are. Coming along shortly, be finished with the roof on. I'll show you what I'm doing later on. Hi everybody, I've got a bloody cold, so I'm not filming all that much, but I just tell you the problem I've got. The beam goes over to the right, and this has to go down on there straight. I have to chisel out part of the beam, as you can see, and I'm almost there. The midge's dick, so hopefully it's a lovely day. And look at the bloody mess I've left Sally to clean up. See you later.